What is up, everyone? Welcome to the Investor Thrive Discord. If you have never used Discord before, it can be a little confusing, but if you have used it, maybe you're used to it. So my goal in this video is to show you everyone here. First of all, I want to welcome you to joining. I'm very excited to have you a part of the community. The whole reason I have built this Discord is to give brand new investors, give experienced investors, cash buyers, everyone a place to meet, to contribute, to help each other grow. That's why we're here. But I'm going to walk you through how to use the Discord if you're brand new. So let's dive right in. So at the very top, everybody will be able to see this view. Okay. If you join, you're going to be able to see welcome. All welcome is just welcoming brand new people that join, and you can say hi to them. You can wave to them, and then it waves to them. That's what it's for. Okay. Browse channel. You can go through there and browse channels, and then events if we have any events. Everyone has access. Everyone has free access to the free lounge. In the free lounge, we give you links to materials that will help you as an investor. Here's a free trial to batch leads. Here is an invite to our masterclass. It's a free masterclass we do. And here is, if you need help dispoing a deal, these are the free resources. If you submitted to sellyourdeal.io, if you have a house under contract, we will help you dispo it, or we'll tell you if it's not a good deal and where you need to be. That's what some we've done. What is the general chat? The general chat is where action happens. This is where it all happens. This is where people are communicating. If you are not a part of the club or the mentorship, you can go in here in chat. You can ask questions. People will answer you. I can't promise you that my team and investors that I will always answer your questions, because that is why we work with people in our program. But we do want to give you the opportunity to go in and chat. That is, networking is the key. I've always done deals through networking and JVing, and I want you to do so as well. So if you see colors, if it's yellow, that means that these people are in the club. If it's green, that means that these people are in the mentorship. Okay. So if you want to obviously go higher into the program, you can. If not, that's okay. Everyone is welcome. Go ahead, chat, introduce yourself when you come in here. Let us know where you're from. We'll see how we can help you. Help chat. What is the help chat? It is there for people who are a part of our program that need help. Okay. If they don't know where something is, you can go to the help chat. If you come in and you're not a part of our program, totally fine. But if you use the help chat, that's not really designed for you to ask questions. That's mainly for Discord problems once you join. So really, if you are just coming in here to network and learn from others, you have the free resource and you have the general chat. That is mainly what you can do in here to network and get help. Now, if you are a part of the club, if you've decided to join our program that helps people get started in real estate investing, we have announcements. We let people know when the coaching calls are. If you see coaching calls in the general chat, but you are not a part of the club or the mentorship, you're going to see that we're telling people to come on, but you won't be able to make those coaching calls. But then we also announce them in here. Start here is where you can go and get all the resources for the club. We have a process that people walk through, that we give them ability to submit deals that other people can work on. We can help you dispo your deals. Like I said, if you have them under contract, you can submit them. That's what's going on in here. Document library. We have the painless wholesaling blueprint for people that join the program, and literally everything that anyone would ever need on documents, whether that's contracts, that's scripts, how to dispo deals. We have everything in courses. Call schedule. This tells you when the call schedules are for the mentorship and the club. We also give people a buy box criteria. We don't let everyone see this, but just, I mean, if you're watching this, you're going to see that we have top buyers throughout the United States and hedge funds and buyers that say, hey, this is what I want. And we give people a place to start if they want to start looking for buyers for deals for buyers. And then if you come to me, I say, hey, yeah, let me reach out to my buyer, see if he'd be interested. Super easy. Acquisitions, this is the call that we do, and this is the cold call. And these are the two coaching calls we do. Now, if you decide to join our mentorship, our fast track program, it's just a higher level. We work with you more exclusively. We do coaching calls every week, and you work with me, you work with Nathan Valley more exclusively. And these are the calls. It's pretty simple. We just make announcements when we do things. Start here. Anyone that's in the mentorship does get access to the club, and they get additional resources like our nationwide buyers list and a bunch of other great stuff. Be a deal finder. We also let people in our mentorship submit deals to me for me to help them negotiate. We can work together. We can do deals. So if you're a part of the mentorship, and you need help doing a deal, that's what we're here for. We're here to help you close deals, help you get paid. We have a 4-week schedule, 4-week intensive master class, or sorry, 4-week intensive mentorship program where people get to know and learn everything they need to know to get a deal within 90 days. And here's what that's about. And then weekly assignments. We also make assignments for our people in our mentorship. So they're actually taking action. We're helping and following up with them. Now, this might change over time. There might be different calls. There might be different times. There might be different channels. Discord is always evolving and it's always changing. So if you see anything, and I've made this video and it's not looking like it used to, right? There's different ones. That's just because we've evolved and upgraded. So you can usually just read and click on here and usually figure out what these things are about. They usually say at the very top what the channel is about. But I'm going to pin this video that I'm making right now at the top of the general chat and at the top of welcome. So anyone that comes in here can watch this and learn. Okay. We have a lot of great stuff going. We got people doing deals. I'm doing deals. People in our community are doing deals. You don't even have to be a part of the wholesaling club, painless wholesaling club, or painless fast track mentorship program. You don't even have to be a part of that. You can be in here making money. That is the goal that I have for everyone here. I want everyone to succeed. I want everyone to learn and to crush it. That's what we're building, the most amazing community. And just so you guys know, there's already about 700 people that 616 that are offline. There's a bunch of people online. There's a lot of people in this community. So come here, network. Let's help it grow. We want to get to 3,000 by the end of the year. Let's freaking do it. Help me do it. All you have to do is go here, invite people, and that's about it. Love to work with you. Hope you love the Discord and get as many people in here as we can. Let's network. Let's do deals together. Peace out, everybody. Have a great day.